Larry! Keep jumping. Keep jumping. Please stay on.
Oh my gosh.
Please stay on.
Reel up, reel up, reel up, reel up.
Please stay on. Yes, sir.
How in the world did I do that?
Right here.
Reel up. I got him.
Yes, sir,
Tangled
man.
up.
How did we get tangled up?
Slow, just hold on to it. Just hold on to it.
Woo! Yeah!
You like those jigs, huh?
He ate it.
He swallowed it. Hey.
What a day. What
It was a pretty too.
So
It looked pretty.
I took these boys out just to work on scoping, live scoping, and you always hear about the minnow bait. Minnow bait
Yeah, I
is
like
getting
hit on the
harder and
rocks a
harder
couple
to,
times and I like picked it up.
get bites on. So I wanted to work on some different techniques. And we're out here checking out some wobble head actions, jig action, some eco action, and deep cranking and square bending around some rocks. Oh, got hung up there, but stick along here. We're gonna go through a couple of things and try some different techniques and just teach these boys how to get better.
Yeah, I'm gonna change. I'm gonna put a bobble head on too with a.
He is really getting good at scoping. I think he's better than me already.
Glasses.
On this day, he beat me 10-2.
Yeah, I can see it.
So
You can see it?
Yeah.
Very nice.
he can see it. He says.
Like you can see the slab?
Yeah.
Wow. Alright, let me see if I can get this figured out real quick. Spot us? Did you or no?
Yeah.
You got him? Which side you coming on?
Right.
Oh yeah.
Smoked.
Just flip it.
Absolutely smoked. It looks fat.
Little spotted.
It's a fat small.
Fat small?
Like he's small, but he's fat.
Little spot.
Yeah, I wasn't gonna yank until I couldn't tell if that was a fish or not. Yeah?
What color is it? Black
It's
and
like-
blue or purple
yeah.
or black? What is it?
Yeah, it's like black and blue. Look, it's got a little belly. Little belly. Little belly. Number 6.
I need to be tight.
I think this is the best I've ever done at Louisville. I didn't know that's where he's
Turn the camera off.
Look. Wobblehead action. Look. It's like green and blue. Yeah. Does it keep on?
Stop building.
Larry! Keep jumping. Keep jumping. Please stay on.
Oh my gosh.
Please stay on.
Reel up.
Please stay on. Yes, sir.
How in the world did I do that?
Right here.
Reel up. I got him.
Yes, sir, man.
Tangled up.
How did we get tangled up?
Got him? Grab the fish and I'll worry about the worm.
Oh my.
Oh my goodness. It's all wrapped up, that's why I did that.
Yeah.
Let me cut it. Start over. Goodness. I want to cut your line, I want to cut my line. Make that little on accident.
Not a bad fish, I mean.
Heck yeah.
Pound, tuna.
How did we do that?
2.
You gonna weigh it?
Yeah. All the fish
here.
that look good, I want to weigh it. See how much we get at the end of the day.
Oh man.
Forgot to do it earlier.
Golly, how did that happen? I jumped up to try to get out of the way, and you were moving the same direction.
Yes, sir.
2-pounder?
Hold on. Yes, sir, man.
Yeah. Well, do it over the camera.
Oh, there's 206. You can see that. I don't know if you can see that. Hold on. Yeah, you can see that. Ah, sweet. Wait,
turn the camera off.
did you not add on the other one? Dang it.
Dude,
All right.
slow, just hold on to it. Just hold on to it.
Woo! Yeah!
You like those jigs, huh?
He ate it.
He swallowed it.
He
You let him have it forever.
Yeah, I thought he just tapped it. Yeah, he ate it. Oh my gosh, he ate it.
Let's get that scale out.
Dang. Wait. Oh, somebody's already hooked him.
Yeah. Well, you earlier.
Please.
Can you get him? Oh yeah.
God,
Hold on to him. Let's check him real quick.
he was about to eat it. That's a good bass.
Yeah. What do you think?
Why couldn't we do this in the tournament?
Hold on.
Why don't we catch this fish in the tournament? Yeah, you didn't tear it.
Oh, why'd you take it off?
It's not. Oh, you want it back on?
Flip it.
I thought.
What do you think it is?
Like 5.
4 and a half. A little over 4. 4 and a quarter. 4:30.
That's not bad. The fish that I almost caught, and the other one we would have went to steak.
I know. Here, grab
In
that.
like literally
Grab
like
that.
30 minutes.
Let's get a picture real quick, and you get the pliers and start getting the jig out. You need help.
Literally like 30 minutes.
Hold it out there for me.
Has a fat mouth too.
Let's see if I can get a. Here, hold it for me real quick so I can get a picture. Be still. One more. This side. Hold it out.
Yeah, I like Livescope.
Put it in there and go back and forth. Good bass. See, we just fish too fast a lot of times. You know what I mean?
We would have stayed just right there.
Yeah.
30 minutes.
We just went to say probably just that fish. Next time.
Man, that sucks, but that's so cool. You know? Yeah, put it on that wall like you said. GoPro's still on.
Got it?
Nice.
Get him? Keep it away.
He looks like a camper.
Yeah, he is. You can measure him if you want to.
Here, do this. There you go. Jumped up.
Oh, yeah.
I said,
about that?
I said we're calling that one. Backlash forward. did?
Yep. Yep. No, don't put it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
He hit right at the boat, dude. Are we about to hit?
No.
Relax, dude.
Got something under, man. I gotta get it.
Hang on, he's about to hook me. He's mad. He's mad.
Crankbait.
You got a crankbait?
Yeah.
Heck yeah. Oh, he about got off. All right, let me weigh him. Can you get it or not? Here, hold on, push the button for a second. Let's do this fish first. Here. Sideways.
Again, I appreciate you guys sticking along with us, sticking with us and following along.
Real quick.
Uh,
I'll hang it up.
let's watch this fish go back real quick. I appreciate you guys watching. Stick with us. We'll keep making more and more content. Hope some of this helps. We'll see you.
Okay, where are we at?